Hello, third graders. Today we are going to be learning all about the Western region. Um, we will be focusing specifically on the state of Washington, not to be confused with Washington, D.C. Washington State is all the way in the northwest corner, right over here. So let's take a look. So Washington is, like I said, at the very northwest corner. It borders Canada in the north, and the Pacific Ocean is on the west, and the east is Idaho, and the south is Oregon. The three major cities are Seattle, Spokane, and Tacoma. But the capital of Washington is actually Olympia. If you look at the legend here, the star means the capital. So, part of the geography is that Washington is famous for just their natural beauty. Again, like other western states in the U.S., it has tons of mountains. The Cascade mountain range does go through Washington, but it also has the Olympic Mountains, and a lot of the Pacific water makes it really beautiful too. There's Mount St. Helens, there's a lot of volcanoes, the Rocky Mountains. So if you look at this map, you can see that there's a lot of mountain ranges. The weather in the summer, it's pretty cool. It's about 64 degrees average, and in the wintertime, it's about 33 degrees average. It is very rainy and wet in Washington. Some historic landmarks. This is the Space Needle. It was built for the World Fair. It's about 605 feet tall, and it has an observation deck with a rotating restaurant so you can view the city and also Mount Rainier. This is the Olympic National Park. It has a lot of different sights and scenic views, including the coastlines, the mountain views, and even a rainforest. This is Mount St. Helens. It is a national volcanic monument or park, and it is still an active volcano, and it actually erupted not too long ago in 1980, which caused major damage. This is Mount Rainier National Park. This is also another active volcano, and it's also the highest mountain in the Cascade Range. I mean, it just looks absolutely beautiful. This is the Puget Sound Naval Shipyard. It was established in 1891. Public Market, Pike Place Market. It's one of the oldest farmers markets, and it's also the home to the first Starbucks and the Pike Place Fish Market. So if you ever had Pike Place coffee, this is where it comes from. So I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to go on Pebble Go Next if you want to learn more about the history, the government, the industry, any famous people that live in Washington, or any cool facts. Thanks.